our lesson. An AI teacher. Now listen here.
Hello students, I am Artificial Intelligence and today I have special tasks prepared just for you. But first, let's brighten each other's mood, get cookies and read wishes.
Okay, dear students, now we'll create a warm and positive atmosphere in the classroom. That's why stand up all of you, look at the person next to you and share a warm wish.
I wish you good mood today. I wish you success. I wish you stay positive.
Yes,
I wish
of course.
you good luck.
Yes.
I wish you all the best.
I wish you a bright future.
I wish you big dreams.
I wish you happy dreams.
Okay, I wish you happy life. Take your seat, please. Let me introduce today's assessment. In each group has a cup with candies. Okay? These candies will be your scores. If you complete each task correctly, you will take 1 candy or 2 candies. Okay? 1 point equal to 1 candy. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Yes? Oh, okay. Let's divide into 2 groups. Students, take your mobile phones. Use your phones to scan QR codes. Then find your groups. You find your group, please. The first group will be brain power. The first group will be brain power. The second group will be smart teachers. Now, take your seat, please. Now, let's start our homework. Let's check our homework. Our homework to revise all the grammar, then give some examples. Okay? Are you ready? Homework?
Yes.
Now let's check our homework. The homework was to revise our grammar rules and to give some examples. Let's start. Now, who wants? Susan, go to the blackboard, please.
Several.
Okay.
Only with countable nouns to express a small number of something.
Okay.
For example, she read several books.
Okay. Thank you. Next. Okay.
Plenty of with countable and uncountable nouns.
Yes.
For example, there is plenty of food in the fridge.
Yes. All right. Thank you. You get 1 point, 1 candy. Okay. Ayajan.
Use refers to people, groups or groups. It has a positive meaning and is followed by a plural rule.
Yes.
For example, those foods are healthy.
Yes. All right. Thank you. Next step. Next step. Kausa.
Of these uncountable nouns.
Yes.
For example, there is a large amount of water in the bottle.
Okay. Very well. Thank you. Next step. Next step. Answer.
Health refers to one of the two equal parts of something.
Yes.
For example, mixed in half the bottom.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Next. Next. Be quick. Arka.
A large and a small number of discontinuous.
Yes.
For example, the small number of winners in room.
Okay. Next, the last one. Yes. Islam. I'm sorry.
All refers to more than two people, things, or groups. It has a positive meaning and is followed by a plural verb.
Yes. By a plural verb. Thank you. Sit down, please. Now, students, I'll test your brain. Listen up, everyone. I'm going to test your brain power right now. At first, listen our AI teacher. Then you will write stickers, the names of food. I will give you stickers, okay? Now, at first, listen here.
Now write down names of food items, as many as you remember, on sticky notes.
I will give you stickers, all of you. You will write the names of food, okay? Be quick, we have no time. Stop, students. Now, listen to me carefully. If you have 3-4 words, don't worry. Your brain is just starving for omega-3 right now. That's why your memories, have a little glitch. It's not you. It's just your fuel. If you have 6 and 7 words, wow, your neurons are firing at lightning speed. You probably had a fantastic, healthy breakfast today. Your brain is in top gear. Now, stick a sticker here. Wow. Very well. Three and 4 words, we have 2 students. Don't worry, okay? Now listen to me carefully. So, why did some of you remember more and others less? The secret is in what we eat. And today we are going to learn how to hack our brains. We will discover exactly which foods we need to give our brain to make it work like a supercomputer. Now, write down today's date and the theme of the lesson. The theme for our lesson is food fuel for your brain. Find specific facts about nutrients like omega-3 in the text and use new phrasal verbs to give healthy advice during a role play. Do you understand it? Yes. Okay. Students, look at the picture. What do you see?
Vegetables.
Yes.
Fish. Carrot.
Yes.
Banana, eggs,
Broccoli.
grapes,
Okay.
grapes.
Okay. Thank you very much. How do you think food is related to our brain? How do you think food is related for our brain? Okay.
I think food affects our brain. For example, if you eat junk food like pizza, burger, and soda, you will feel tired. And if you eat a healthy food like vegetables, eggs, and fish, you will feel better.
Yes, all right. I agree with you. Take your seat. Thank you. Next up, once, okay. Arkat.
I think food and the brain directly connected.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Who wants next up? Ayajan.
Food is related to the brain because it gives brain energy and work properly.
Okay, thank you very much.
Food for thought. The brain is a complicated organ. It doesn't just need energy, but it needs lots of different chemicals, fats and minerals to keep everything working. A lot of these things only come from food, so if you're not eating the right things, it can have a bad effect on your brain. The brain works by sending electrical and chemical signals through special cells called neurons. The body needs amino acids to make these chemicals. These are found in high-protein foods such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Vegetarians and vegans can get amino acids from beans, soya, and seeds. The cells of the brain are made up of fatty acids. Brain cells start to break down if we don't replace these fatty acids. Omega-3 and omega-6 are the two essential fatty acids for the body. Omega-3 mainly comes from fish, like mackerel and sardines, while omega-6 comes from livers and dark green vegetables. Micronutrients such as zinc, iron, copper and sodium protect the brain from diseases. They can be found in fruit, vegetables and nuts. Overall, a diet rich in fruit, vegetables, seeds, nuts and oily fish, and low in red meat and sugar, is the best way to maintain a healthy body, mind and brain.
Okay, do you understand this text?
Yes.
Is it easy for you? Yes? Okay. The first task, false and true. At first, listen our AI teacher.
Let's see how much you know about your brain. I will show you 6 statements. Stand in one line. If you think the sentence is true, move to the right. If you think it's false, move to the left. Be ready to explain why. Let's go.
Do you understand the AI teacher? Yes. Okay, now stand up. Line up, please. If you think the sentence is true, move on the right. If it is false, move on the left. Okay? Now. The brain needs the same things as the other human organs to keep working. Is it true or false? Now check answer. It is false. You have mistakes. Next. Listen correctly. Okay, listen correctly. The body makes the neurons the brain needs with amino acids. Your answer? True or false? Okay, check. It is true. Okay. Next question. Amino acids can only be found in meat and dairy products. It's false. Okay. Next line up. Next question. Fatty acids are very important to the cells of the brain. Is it true or false? True? Okay, check. Yes, you are right. True. Next line up. Mackerel and sardines are rich in omega-3 and omega-6. Is it true or false? Check. It's false. Next, eating a fruit, vegetables, and nuts will protect the brain from diseases. Is it true or false? Okay, sit down. Thank you. Whose answer is true? Get one candy, please. Students, next task will be reading task. Now, this task, tic-tac-toe. Do you know about this game? Yes. In Russian equivalent, what is it? Yes. Okay. I will give you, at first, listen our AI teacher.
Now we are playing tic-tac-toe. Each correct answer lets your group place a sign. The first group to get 3 in a row wins the round. Ready, set, read.
Now, I'll give you storybooks. You will read these books correctly, quickly, okay? Then you will write notes. Now, I will give you 3 minutes. Assessment. Whose group will win? They get 2 points. Okay? Whose group will win? They get 2 points. Write down keywords. Main information, keywords, okay? Main information, keywords. start our game. Okay? The first group, number?
2B.
2B. Okay. Now, amino acids are essential for your answer? For? Chemical signals. Now, I will check it. Yes, making the chemical that sends signals to the brain. Yes, of course. You are right. Next, second question. 1C. Yes? That micronutrients are necessary because they Continue this sentence. Have you answered?
Because they protect the brain from diseases.
Yes, all right. Very well. Next, the first group. 3B. That the overall message of the text is that. Continue. The overall message of the text is that. No? Brain. Now, it is not true. Next, the second group. 2C. Okay. The main idea of the first paragraph is that
the brain is a really complicated organ.
Okay, I will check. Good place, food plays an important role in brain health. Next, you are? Oh? 3C. Next, omega-3 and omega-6 are the two essential red meat and sugar. You are not two. Next one. 3C. A healthy diet for your brain is low in. Yes. All right. You will take 2 candies. This next task will be listening task. Okay? Exercise 6. Okay? Exercise 6. And I will give you bingo sheets. I will give you bingo sheets. Predict the meals that Kairat's family will have during the lesson and write them on your bingo sheet. Listen to the recording carefully. If your predictions are right, shout bingo. Now students, stop. At first, listen correctly, okay?
Hi, my name's Carrot Amarov. There are 4 of us in my family and we all have similar eating habits. My parents say that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so we like to have orange juice, cereal, and lunch for breakfast. After that, my mum and dad go to work and I go to school with my sister. Around midday, my sister and I have our lunch. We sometimes have a hot meal from our school canteen, but most days we bring sandwiches, some grapes, and an apple from home. When we finish school, we go home and my mum cooks our dinner. Today is Tuesday, so my mum wants to cook our favorite meal, beef with potatoes, carrots, and broccoli. We sometimes have special treats like ice cream and biscuits. Our mum doesn't give us any cake though, she thinks it's really unhealthy.
Okay, we have 2 winners, the first group and the second group. Well done, thank you. 1 candy, okay, for your answer. Now the task will be phrasal verbs. At first, listen correctly our AI teacher. Okay? Then write down in your copybook phrasal verbs. Now listen correctly.
Phrasal verb break down means to decompose or to lose control of feelings.
Control of feelings.
Break into means to enter by force.
Enter by force.
Break out of means to escape from. Break up means to stop for holidays of school.
Now, write down phrasal verbs. Look at the screen, please. Who wants to go to the blackboard? Audun, come here. Read, at first read the sentence and the clue.
The pharmacy broke out of the panic.
Yes, all right. Get 1 candy. Next up. Come here.
They use so much breaks food and down into sugar, proteins, and fats.
Yes, you are right, but stomach, okay? Stomach and sugar. Next up, Ayazan.
The criminals broke into the grave and stole at the money.
Yes, all right. Thank you. Get 1 candy. Okay. How's that?
When school breaks up, we all go on our summer holidays.
Yes, you are right. Thank you very much. Well done. You are smart students. Now, next task will be speaking time. I will give you sheets. The first group, the second group. Look at the screen, please. At first, listen our AI teacher, okay?
Final challenge, brain scientists, it's time to speak. Group 1, you are at the brain clinic helping a tired student. Group 2, you are in a debate about fast food. Use your new words and phrasal verbs to create a dialogue. You have 3 minutes to prepare. Show me your best acting.
You have 3 minutes. You you understand our AI teacher? Do you understand? Yes? You have 3 minutes. Now, begin. Okay, as a screen, please. If you use 1-2 specific nutrients in correct context, uses a phrasal verb, and makes general statements about health, 2 points. You will take 2 candies. Okay? Now, the first group, are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Now go to the blackboard, please.
Good morning. Welcome to the brain clinic. How may I help you?
Hello. Recently, I feel very tired and I forget many things.
I see. Take a seat. The doctor will see you soon.
Passion, please come on.
Hello, how are you? What seems to be the problem?
I can't keep up with my studies. I often forget my homework.
How many hours do you sleep?
Only 4 and 5 hours.
That is not enough. Your brain needs rest. You should sleep at least 7-8 hours. Also eat healthy foods, omega-3, and like fruit and vegetables.
Thank you.
Excuse me, can I come in?
Yes, of course. What is your problem?
I have headaches every day and I sometimes blow up very quickly.
Do you phone and computer a lot?
Yes, I use my phone all day. I can't calm down on screen time.
Then reduce screen time. Your breaks every 30-40 minutes and rest. Your brain rest should.
Волосы, доктор, ответ is important.
Birth, its health is very important. Good sleep, eat healthy foods, and exercise.
Your visit is finished. Take care of brain and stay healthy. Goodbye.
Good job. Thank you.
Food and lunch habits. We are healthy food experts, and they are junk food lovers.
Okay.
Guys, why are you worried? Burger and soda are great. They give me a huge energy boost immediately. I think sugar is all I need to survive the school day.
Mansoor, that's just a sugar crash waiting to happen. You feel energetic for 10 minutes and then you feel exhausted.
Exactly. You need real nutrients for long-term focus. Fatty acids found in fish or nuts. They help you think much faster junk food.
Think about
Junk food better.
Think about your memory. Junk food lacks zinc, which helps your brain process information. If you eat like the Amars, you stay sharp all day.
Okay.
I never thought about it that way. So you're saying fatty acids and zinc will actually help me get better grades than my soda?
Definitely. If you let's go to the canteen and pick a healthy lunch today, you will feel a difference in our focus.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you very much. Good job. Now, the first group, you have not phrasal verbs. Yes, that's why you will get 1 candies. Okay, 1 candies. And then the second group, you will get 2 candies. Right. My brain power promise. You will continue these sentences. Okay. Now write down
breakfast, I will drink yogurt and eat cereal with milk.
Okay.
For my brain to work better, I will eat more healthy food like vegetables and fruits. I will try not to eat too much sweet because it is unhealthy.
Okay, thank you very much. Darika?
Tomorrow for breakfast, I will drink eggs and orange juice. For my brain to work better, I will eat more fish and nuts. I will try not to eat too much sugar and fast food.
Okay, thank you very much. Susan?
Tomorrow for breakfast, I will drink orange juice and milk. For my brain to work better, I will eat more carrot, fish, apple. I will try not to eat too much burger and sugar.
Okay, thank you very much. Next step, who wants? Arjan?
Tomorrow for breakfast, I will eat oatmeal. For my brain to work better, I will eat more walnuts. I will try not to eat too much sweets and fast food.
Okay, very well. Mansur?
Tomorrow for breakfast I will eat banana and drink tea. For my brain to work better I will more eat fish. I will try not to eat too much sugar.
Sugar? Okay, thank you. Now sit down. After this lesson, do you eat all sweets and carbs?
During the lesson, I understand that sugars and sweets aren't healthy.
Okay.
And I prefer to eat healthy food.
Okay. Thank you. Next, Akka. After this lesson, do you eat all sweets?
No. Because sweets are very unhealthy.
Yes.
And we must eat healthy fruit and vegetables.
Okay, thank you very much. It's time for assessment. Now take your mobile phones. Use your phones to scan QR codes. Then count your sweets, all of you. 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 Each candy is a point. Write down your points. Write down your points. Inka is 9 points. Sezim is 9 points. Arkat is 9 points. Mulder is 7 points. Islam 7 points. Mansur 9 points. Arjan 8 points. Kausar 8 points. Ayajan 8 points. Dariga 7 points. Well done. Homework. Now write down exercise 8, page 93. Now our reflection time. If you understood everything, tick here. Okay, tick here. If you learned but still need some help, tick here. If the lesson was unclear and difficult for you, tick here. Now go to the demo, please. very much. The lesson is over. Goodbye.